Hello YouTube, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox the M10s from Samsung. So I've ordered it from Amazon. I will give the link in the description box to buy this thing. So let's unbox this. So let me grab my scissors and open this packet. So as you can see, I am going to open this packet. So here is our box of M10s. Let's put this aside and let me show you some specifications. It comes with Super AMOLED display, which is HD plus with dual camera and 4000 mAh lithium polymer battery, and comes with Exynos octa-core processor. So it is 3GB RAM 32GB variant, which is stainless black color. So let's unbox this. So let's open the seal, and here is the price. Let me show you the price. So as you can see, here is the price, which is 10,000 here, but you can easily get it for around 9,000 on the Amazon. This comes in two variants. One is blue and this is black one. As I told earlier, it is truly made in India. It is also manufactured in India, so that's a good thing. So here is our M10s. Let's unbox this. Let's see what we get inside the box. So here is the empty box. First we got something like this. Let me show you what's inside this thing. I probably know what's inside, the user guide and something like that. Yes, you got a quick start guide over here. Let me fully open this thing and show you. So here it shows you how you can insert the SIM card and other things. Let me focus it on this thing. Just a second now. So this is, let me show you the second guide. Here is regional log guide. It just shows you something that what country is this mobile phone made. So here is the warranty information. So now let's get outside our handset and see what inside is. Here is our Samsung M10s. Let's put this aside and check what's inside the box. Here you got a fast charger, which is of 15 watt. As this device supports fast charging, let me show you. So it is a fast charger of Samsung, and you will also get a type C to type A cable. Let me show you. Here is the type C port. As you can see, that's all you got inside the box. There is also a SIM ejector tool. That is this kind of tool you get inside this box. So now let's put this thing aside, our device. So this is the device in black color. Let me remove this. So let's remove this thing. So here is our device in stainless black color, a shiny device made by Samsung. So this is the first look of Samsung Galaxy M10s and unboxing of Samsung Galaxy M10s. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates.